90% of crypto investors lose money. But guess what? You don't have to be one of them. Crypto has made regular people into overnight millionaires. But there's a catch, which we'll be covering in this video. Even though the crypto market has been around for a while now, it's still technically in its infancy. The global stock market, in comparison, is estimated to be over $106 trillion, while the crypto market is only a measly $2.6 trillion. Many who missed the initial crypto bull run are already thinking, why didn't I start sooner? As we always say, the best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. In this video, we'll take you from a complete crypto beginner all the way to a crypto expert by the end of it. There's also a free cryptocurrency beginner's guide that works in combination with this lesson. We'll show you how you can get it later in this video. Please hit the like button as it goes a long way in supporting our team. So what is cryptocurrency exactly? Cryptos are digital assets or digital money that have no physical form like gold or cold hard cash. They are quite literally lines of code, like software, that are written directly into what is called a blockchain, the tech that makes everything in crypto possible. You can think of blockchain as a massive digital ledger, similar to the one that is kept at a bank. The blockchain keeps a record of every transaction that has ever occurred, no matter how big or small the transaction was. Each block of transactions is verified by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to hack. When you buy a Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, that transaction gets locked into the blockchain, and you now own a tiny piece of this digital ledger. Thousands of computers around the world, called nodes, verify that transaction. Once you hit purchase, your transaction gets etched into the blockchain. Think of it like getting a digital receipt that's backed up by the entire internet for everyone to see. Blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single person, bank, or central authority is in full control. Crypto coins versus crypto tokens. What's the difference? Generally speaking, crypto coins are seen as the major digital currencies that are used to build each network. Some examples of crypto coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Each of these has its own unique blockchain and network. In contrast, crypto tokens are cryptos that can truly be built by anybody. The difference is they do not have their own blockchain and are traded on the parent network. For example, you will quickly learn that many altcoins are actually just derivatives of the Ethereum network. You'll know they live on the Ethereum network because they are traded as ERC20 tokens. Solana is another network that has gained popularity for creating meme tokens. Hundreds of new tokens are created on Solana each day. As of 2024, there are well over 20,000 different crypto tokens that you can invest in. Here's an important point. Most centralized exchanges do not even offer these tokens. You'll need to connect your crypto wallet to a DEX, or decentralized crypto exchange. A DEX is a peer-to-peer crypto marketplace where users trade tokens directly with each other. There is no intermediary to regulate or monitor what happens on a DEX. The blockchain verifies the transaction, and smart contracts ensure everything happens as planned. So what are smart contracts exactly? Smart contracts are self-executing digital contracts that automatically execute once all conditions are met, and that don't require anyone's approval. When you transfer crypto from the exchange to your wallet, smart contracts are what make it happen automatically. It's like Venmo on steroids, except there's no human error. Here's why smart contracts can be a game changer. Let's say you need to buy a house. You wouldn't need brokers or lawyers, just a contract that transfers ownership once the terms are met. Buying a car? Same deal. Everything is automated, secure, and best of all, no middlemen required. Buying and selling crypto on a centralized exchange. The easiest way to buy and sell crypto as a beginner is through a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. You simply sign up, verify your ID, transfer money into your account through your credit card or bank, and boom, you can start buying and selling the cryptos of your choice on the exchange. First, the good. It's convenient, you don't have to worry about private keys, wallets, or security. And you have access to your funds quickly. Now the bad. Fees, and more fees. Exchanges take a cut when you buy or sell. Next, you don't really own your crypto, and technically, the exchange owns it, so you're trusting them to keep it safe. If they get hacked or go bankrupt, there's a chance you could lose it all. Think of the FTX debacle. Centralized exchanges will also require KYC, or Know Your Customer Information. This means that regulators and the government want to know exactly who is buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This has been a controversial topic, since one of the original pillars of cryptocurrencies was anonymity. Using your own crypto wallet. If you want to take full control of your cryptos and secure them, you will want to move your crypto off of an exchange and into your own crypto wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline and ultra secure. First, the good. You have full control. You own your crypto, meaning no one can take it from you. It's also much safer from hacks or exchange collapses. You're literally your own bank. Now the bad. If you lose your private keys, your crypto is gone forever. There's no forgot password button. There are literally people out there who would be crypto millionaires today, but forgot their passwords, holding hundreds, sometimes thousands of Bitcoins from back in the day. Finally, it's a bit more complicated than just using an exchange. So here's the process of setting up your own crypto wallet. Step 1. Download a hot wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet for everyday transactions. Step 2. Once you buy your crypto on an exchange, transfer it to your wallet. Just grab your wallet's public address, go to the exchange, and hit withdraw. Paste your wallet address into the withdrawal form, and voila, the crypto is yours. Step 3. When you want to sell, first transfer your crypto from your wallet back to the exchange, and once it's there, you can sell just like before. A cold wallet or cold storage. Cold storage is a piece of hardware that is not connected to the internet. Most of them look like a USB key that plugs right into your computer. You can move your cryptos onto this hardware and keep it safe from malicious online activity. Even if your laptop or phone gets hacked, your cryptocurrencies will be safe in offline storage. You will need to remember a passphrase or password to unlock your cold storage wallet and access your cryptos. If you lose or forget that passphrase, your cryptos are going to be locked until you can remember it. The fees associated with crypto investing. For cryptos, there are no fees for opening an account. There are also no monthly or annual maintenance or administrative fees. But just like when you are buying a stock, there can be transaction fees. In the crypto world, these are called gas fees and are charged on every transaction. The idea is similar to a commission fee. Gas fees allow the network to operate and are typically burned or removed from circulation. These fees can rise or fall depending on things like network congestion and the size of your transaction. For some networks, like Ethereum, the network fees can be fairly high. This is because of how many transactions the network is processing for each block. Other networks, like Solana, can handle thousands of transactions per second, which allows the network to keep gas fees relatively low. So what are the best ways to invest in crypto? Most people who have experience with cryptos will advise you to start with blue chip cryptos such as Bitcoin that are considered safer crypto investments. Bitcoin is the largest crypto in the world by market cap. Bitcoin has also been widely adopted by mainstream financial institutions. Companies like BlackRock and Fidelity hold hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. It is now seen as a legitimate asset class to invest in and an important part of any diversified investment portfolio. There are also only a maximum of 21 billion Bitcoins that will ever be in circulation. This makes it a deflationary asset and a true hedge against inflation of fiat currency. Let's think of Bitcoin as investing in the S&P 500. Now, Bitcoin isn't perfect, and it does come with its own volatility and has routinely seen drawdowns of 30 to 40%, even in a crypto bull run. Though Bitcoin is expensive, you can invest in fractional shares of a Bitcoin. Blue chip cryptos are deemed credible, established, and have a large market capitalization and are highly liquid. Other blue chip cryptos to consider are Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and Chainlink. Let's now get into altcoins. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency or token that isn't Bitcoin. Here are 5 fundamental metrics you should be looking at when analyzing a crypto asset and project. 1. Market capitalization. This tells you the total value of the coin in circulation. The formula is price times total supply. Think of it like a stock. Bigger market caps tend to be safer, while smaller ones are more volatile. A large market cap means the project is well established, while a small market cap might signal more risk, but also more potential growth. If you're chasing big gains, it is easier for an altcoin with a 10 million market cap to 100x than it is for an altcoin with a 10 billion market cap to 100x itself. 2. Utility and use case. What does the coin actually do? Does it solve a real-world problem or serve a real-life purpose? Is it DeFi? Is it a gaming token? Is it a governance token? Or is it all just hype? Coins with strong use cases, like Ethereum, enabling smart contracts, are much more likely to last and grow long-term. With Ethereum and Solana, you can also stake them and earn rewards, which is another real-world use case. 3. Development team and community. Is the team behind the project legit? Strong leadership and an active community mean a higher likelihood of success. Research the developers. Are they experienced in blockchain tech? You can read a project's white paper, which is where the devs lay out all the juicy details, including what the coin does, its supply, and long-term goals. 4. Total supply and circulating supply. This is all about scarcity. Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, which makes it scarce. A coin with a large total supply might not rise as quickly because there's more to go around. Check how many coins are in circulation compared to the total supply to get a sense of scarcity or inflation potential. 5. Adoption and partnerships. Is the coin being adopted by businesses, developers, or even countries? The more real-world applications and partnerships a coin has, the stronger its fundamentals. Look at Ripple, which is working with banks, or Chainlink, which has major partnerships for smart contract integration. Let's now move on to DeFi and decentralized finance. Okay, so you've bagged some crypto. Great. But you're not just going to let it sit there gathering virtual dust, are you? That's where DeFi, or decentralized finance, comes in. Think of DeFi as your gateway to passive income, without relying on your traditional bank that gives you close to zero interest. In DeFi, you can lend your crypto out and earn interest, or borrow against your crypto holdings, all without having to walk into a bank or fill out a ton of paperwork. DeFi platforms make it easy for you to earn interest on your crypto, or get loans using it as collateral. And you guessed it, no need for a bank to approve your transaction. Let's now get into moonshot altcoin plays. This is where people become overnight millionaires just for investing in the right token. You'll find that a lot of tokens, particularly meme coins, don't have any utility. If you're buying these cryptos, you are banking on using the momentum from the coin going viral to make a profit. Saving 5 to 10% of your crypto portfolio for these moonshot plays isn't a terrible idea, and it's part of the fun of investing in crypto. But remember, these require a higher risk tolerance. Every cryptocurrency has an online community. This can be social media platforms or chat apps like Discord or Telegram. Why are crypto communities important? Well, they are great at spreading the word about the project and are the #1 buyers of the tokens. A strong community in crypto can be more important than the project itself. Most meme coins that have gone viral have incredibly strong communities and almost no utility. Now, you need to know about the dark side of altcoins. Sure, some altcoins have legitimate use cases, but many are just hype machines. Here are 3 popular scams to watch out for. 1. Pump and dump schemes. This is a classic. A coin gets artificially pumped up by influencers or whales who already own massive amounts of it. They post it online, get people hyped, telling you it's going to the moon. And as soon as you FOMO in, they cash out, leaving you holding a bag of worthless tokens. 2. Rug pulls. It's like a pump and dump. The developers of a project hype up their own coin, take your money, and then poof, they vanish into thin air, leaving the project for dead. 3. Fake airdrops and phishing scams. Be wary of those free airdrops or messages promising you thousands of coins. Scammers love to send out links to steal your login details or private keys. You'll think you're claiming some free money, but in reality, they're the ones walking away with your funds. If you want to learn more, get access to our free Cryptocurrency Beginner's Guide. The link is in the description below. As always, please hit the like button, as it goes a long way in supporting our team. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.